Hello, in this video we are going to cover laying out your form. So it's obviously already laid out by default, but everything is, just sequentially after each other, so it's on top of each other. You might want to organize it using the amazing Bootstrap column system next to each other, whether you want two components next to each other, 3, 4, doesn't really matter. Obviously always consider you don't want too many because depending on the screen size and in general it can just not look too good, but again that's personal preference and what size of the what size each item is. There's various ways that you can implement the layout system, and they're all covered here. Horizontal form, there's using sizing, auto sizing. The auto sizing is pretty cool as well. I will provide a link to this in the description so you can check that out. But we're just going to use a basic example. So essentially what I want to do is these two checkboxes, I want to put them on the same line. So if we go here, the checkboxes are right here. So these are the checkboxes. In reality, to do that, what we should be doing is sort of just changing everything else. So we don't want this in a row anymore, and we don't want it in a column anymore. So that is a default way of doing this. And let's just sort out the indentation while we're here. Wrong one. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so indentation is sorted. On the form itself, we want a class of row, and on all of these component, form component, divs, this is where we want our columns. So I'm going to put col-12 for all of them for now, just because we're going to have them, all on top of each other. But I will show you what we're going to be doing with the checkboxes momentarily. Okay, so if we save that, refresh, this is what we get so far. So let's put these on, next to each other. And what we actually need to do for this, once I find it, is just like so. We can get rid of this MB3. We do not need that anymore. And get rid of this here. There we go. It is on top of each other now. You can add a bit of styling to, let's say, the last one, or to this horizontal. You might also notice the horizontal rule is a bit wider. It's because we need to put a div. Because it's literally just a very simple element, I will put it all on one line. And I'm going to put a class of col-12. Save that, refresh. As you can see, this has now fixed and it's looking a lot nicer now. This we need to also fix. So we'll just copy this, paste it here, save, refresh. There we go. It is all looking great now. So that is all you have to do, and you can add as many as you want. What I want you to do as an extra task is put a couple more of these regular sort of text fields, and maybe a first name, username, and let's say first name, middle name, and username, and have them all on the same line. So that's a little task for you. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message on Discord or on my website, sonarlearning.co.uk. Plus all the other ways that you can contact me is in the description, and I will provide a link to the Bootstrap page so you can check out all of the different features. That's it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.